Hi, this is Logan from Dockteck. I will use Dockteck DT0002 and the latest MacBook Pro 2020 with
M1 processor
and the LG TV with HDR function to text the HDR function. Now I will check out the product. This is Dockteck DT0002. Then I will connect this adapter to the MacBook Pro 2020 with
M1 processor.
We can see that MacBook Pro has detected the LG 55-inch smart TV. I will go to System Preferences and Displays and click Gather Windows. And we switched the LG Smart TV as the main monitor. And let's go to the LG Smart TV's option. Press Option on the keyboard and left click Skilled and choose Show Low Resolution mode. And here we can see the resolution 4K plus 4K resolution, and this is the high dynamic range with 60 Hz. That's all. Thank you. Bye.